In primetime news this evening, beyond the lesson plan, teachers the targets of sexual advances by students.
Savage attack highlights security concerns at Bethlehem Moravian College in St. Elizabeth.
And JUTC drivers back on the job after strike on Tuesday. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, DRT Communications has a new owner. I'll tell you who acquired the company later in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, agreement signed for the resurfacing of the National Stadium track. And I remember you said something about St. Jago yesterday.
Yes.
Well, you should be happy today. St. Jago boys and Edward Allen girls are the leaders after day one of the Central Athletics Championships. We'll tell you all about it in Primetime Sports.
Oh, try to continue your excitement, Archie. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Apparently it's not about St. Jacob, but we'll go with what's on the screen. What's your reaction to the declaration from the Prime Minister that there will be no new taxes in this year's budget?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.